Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Medium of Instruction certificate. This official document, often called a MOA, confirms the language in which you completed your degree program. It's a valuable tool, frequently accepted by international universities and immigration authorities as proof of your language proficiency. This can save you the time and effort of taking standardized English tests, making your application process smoother and more efficient. Understanding its purpose is the first step. To begin the process, you'll need to gather several key documents. First, prepare a formal application form or a letter of intent addressed to your institution. Next, ensure you have all your academic transcripts and degree certificates readily available, as these are crucial for verifying your educational background. Don't forget to include a clear copy of your identification proof and a document confirming your current address. Having these ready will significantly speed up your application. The application process usually starts by contacting your former university or college. Many institutions have a dedicated section on their official website or within their Student Services department where you can find the necessary application form. Once you've completed the form and gathered all supporting documents, submit them along with the required application fee. Some modern universities even offer convenient online portals for submission, making the process much easier to complete from anywhere. After submitting your application, the processing time for an MOA certificate can vary, typically taking between 3 to 6 weeks. Once issued, you might need to collect the physical certificate directly from your university's designated office. Upon receipt, carefully verify all the details, ensuring your name, degree, and the stated medium of instruction are accurate. Also, confirm that the certificate is printed on official letterhead and bears the necessary signatures and institutional stamps for authenticity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.